I bought this product on Amazon. Let's analyze it and see if it's a good product to sell. So this is a tablet holder and you use it while you are driving your car. Let's talk about the seller themselves and let's analyze their listing. Let's look at other suppliers or manufacturers on Alibaba. Let's look at the reviews of the seller as well. And most importantly, let's analyze the demand or the search volume on the marketplace where you want to sell. And finally, we will make a decision whether this is a good product for you to sell, yes or no. Let's get started with analyzing the listing of the seller. So I bought this product on Amazon in Germany. And as you can see, the listing has the Amazon Choice badge. And the first thing that should catch your attention is the fact that the listing has 14,779 reviews. Incredible. So this is a seller that's been selling for a very long time and 4.7 rating, which is incredible for these amounts of reviews. Let's think about who would be the person to buy this product. Obviously, the person that's buying this product is a parent, a mother or a father. However, the user of this product, the actual person that's going to be really happy with this product, maybe the parents, but most definitely the children. Now, why not look at what could be your potential market based on where you decide to sell? So as an example, if we look at the population of the UAE, if that's the market where you want to sell in, well, statistics show that between 2015 and 2020, almost 500,000 children were born. Those are your ideal customers, and those would benefit from this product. However, the seller here has made a very, very smart decision of not making the product and the actual listing cater to the person that's going to use it, rather than it should cater to the person that's going to buy it and pay for it. So that's why the images are very crisp, very clean, very modern, and focused on the fact that it's easy to install, it's universally compatible. Look how clean and how precise these images are, very minimal text, very, very high quality images. And finally, this is the image that sells it, which is a happy child sitting in the back of the seat. So normally, it's a little bit tough when you're selling a product that is going to be bought by someone, but used by someone else. So in this case, they did a really, really good job. Now, other than that, what we can analyze are the reviews so that we can figure out what are the things that people like about this product, and most importantly, what are the things that they don't like about this product. Now, additionally, remember, we're going to be looking at search volume and we want to see the demand for this product. However, you would want to see the demand based on which marketplace you're selling in. So if you found a product similar to this on Amazon in Germany and you're not selling in Germany, so you wouldn't and shouldn't look at the demand in Germany. You should look and analyze the market in the UAE, for example, if that's where you're selling. Let's take a quick look at the 1-star rating and the 5-star rating. You can look at all of the reviews, but there are a lot of reviews here. The idea behind looking at the reviews would be to analyze and try to figure out what are the things that people don't like and what are the things that people like. The cool thing is that you can translate everything, even if it's in German, you can translate and you can understand what's happening. I went through those the reviews, and what I found was a lot of reviews saying that, you know, when there's a really bumpy road or a sudden stop, they just didn't feel that it was the tablet was very secure. Another person said that it didn't work for their iPad Pro, which is a rather large tablet. And a few other people remarked about the quality. However, very, very, very a small amount of negative reviews based on the huge amount of 5-star reviews, over 79%, I believe. And as you can see with the 5-star reviews, these reviews are since 2018. So this seller has been selling for quite some time which is absolutely great. Even this reviewer actually updated their review a year later, saying that the holders are still working perfectly well. I love people like that. So, you know, they wrote the review, and then a year later, they just kept going with that review. A lot of people are leaving images. This is not possible for all Amazon marketplaces. However, in Germany, it's possible, and it's absolutely amazing because it's just very, very convincing to someone that's looking at these reviews. Now, in the reviews, we also found a lot of people saying that it wasn't really compatible with their tablet, and mostly the negative reviews were always around the idea that it didn't look like it was very, very, very secure, especially if somebody hit the brakes quite suddenly. So with that being said, of course, we don't want to try to sell the same exact looking product. Why not try to find if there's something else on Alibaba? So we jumped on Alibaba very quickly just to give you an idea of what is currently in the market. So as you can see right here, we found a few very, very unique looking products. However, this is just like we're analyzing them right here on the website. Of course, you would need to order a sample and try to verify. The thing that I liked about this product in particular is how easy it is to stick it to the metal holders. So it's quite easy, and it actually looks a little bit big. So it looks like it might be a little bit more secure than the one that we bought. However, in the video, it looks like the plastic quality is not that great. But again, you need to analyze and figure out what you can do. We are also looking at on Alibaba just to get a general idea of the prices. Of course, this is something that you're going to discover. These prices are not the final prices. You might contact somebody, you might see this price and think, oh great, I can order 100 units and pay $4.35. But 90% of the time when you do contact the supplier, they tell you, no, that's not the real price. The price has to be a little bit more expensive. We haven't updated our prices or something like that. Here is another one that's actually very, very similar to the one that we bought. It's just red in color. So we just wanted to see how much this one would cost. And it's being sold now at a discount for $1.60 for around 999 pieces. Now, something to note that this product came in a fully customized package. Everything about it is customized. It's really, really, really good quality packaging, and the product itself is, I think, really good quality. So that's something to note. It's not easy to get that many reviews and that little negative reviews if you're not selling a really good quality product. This is another design that I think is really nice and interesting. So the idea behind it would be, if we were to really validate that there is demand for this product, we're not going to only look at demand, but we also want to look at the competitors. If we can validate, then this could be a really good product to sell. Now, two things we need to do when we are analyzing the market to figure out if this is a good product that has demand and you should be selling it on the Amazon marketplace that you have decided to sell on. Let's take an example, the UAE. What I'm going to be looking at is I'm going to be looking at the search volume, basically how many people are looking for this product every single month using the main keywords. I'm also going to be looking at the competitors, because we want to ensure that the competitors, well, we can compete with them and they're not recognized and huge brand names that it's going to be a little bit tough for us to compete against.
Now, it's important to note that for each and every marketplace, there is a different keyword. Not all marketplaces operate the same way, and it doesn't mean that they're going to have the same exact keywords. However, I logged into Amazon.ae and I searched using the main keyword that I know, which is tablet holder. Now, the idea would be to check on BSRs manually and see what the BSR of each and every listing that shows up under tablet holder. Of course, I don't want to be looking at the advertised or sponsored ones. I want to be looking at the BSRs and the information of the organic listings. I have Helium 10 embedded into my Chrome browser. That's why this pops up for me. But if you don't have that, you can just click on the listing itself and log in and see the BSRs. Right now, for the bestseller under tablet stand, so this one is tablet stand and not tablet holder, whereas it's clearly a tablet holder and not a stand. Anyways, the tablet stand, this is BSR 1 and has the BSR for the main category 242. So this is performing very well on Amazon in the UAE versus this one, which is actually a tablet stand. However, look, it has a BSR of 26,000, which is incredibly very high. Now, so this would be a good product to just look at and try to understand what the seller is doing. Also, if you have downloaded the Helium 10 Chrome extension, which is for free, by the way, you can just click here and then we can go to a feature called X-ray. So let's do X-ray product research. The idea behind this is to check for the search volume of the main keyword, which I used, which is tablet holder. The reason why I used the keyword tablet holder is because, that's how I would search for the product. And that was also the main keyword for Amazon in Germany. However, it's obvious that this is not the main keyword on Amazon UAE because, as you can see, the search volume for tablet holder is just 22 a month, which is very, very low. So that's there must be some other keyword that these sellers are selling under for them to get really good results. Now, if you look here, this is showing for the general listings that are ranked for the keyword tablet holder, which I used. So if you want to look a little bit further, I would also suggest that you either eliminate the sponsored. You can eliminate them by clicking here. I'm just doing the trash bin. Okay, so that you can update everything, or just don't look at them, basically. And right now we want to look at this one, which is the tablet holder that I found that was number one. It's this one. It's selling at an average price of $63.99 and it's getting 26 sales per month, and the BSR is 242. And you can click here and see the sales graph a little bit further. I would suggest that you look for the full year to see exactly how the sales have been averaging and what the sale price compared to the BSR and the number of sales are, so that you can figure out if this is a seasonal product or not. Further to that, I would suggest that you also go into the listing which we found, which is this one, which is the best seller, and try to see what it's ranked for. Very easily, this is actually by the same brand that I found on Amazon Germany, by the way. It's Lamicol. So the thing that I like to do would be to click on the listings health score and go down and click Run Listing Analyzer. Of course, you can do that in your Helium 10 dashboard, but this is an easier way to do it if you are currently on Amazon and searching for products. Now, the way Listing Analyzer is intended to be used is to analyze the listing, but also to compare it to other listings in the same category. Obviously, that's what you're going to be comparing. However, that's not what we're going to be using it for. We want to be using it for us to check on some market analysis right here, showing us what the market average is, what the revenue could be, what the price is, and all of that stuff. But mostly I want to go and see keywords in Cerebro. Now, of course, you could have gone directly to Cerebro and checked everything, but I wanted to show you another way of how you can get the information. So Cerebro pulls out all of the keywords, the top performing keywords, enter up to 10 product identifiers to find their top performing keywords. So right here, you would add all of the top performing listings that we found on Amazon.ae so that we can get their keywords and try to analyze which keywords they are ranking for. So clicking here will give us the highest search volume. And there are going to be a lot of irrelevant keywords, so you need to make sure that you remove those. But the number one keyword is car accessories, actually, which is a very broad keyword if you think about it. But it does have a monthly search volume of 12,710. So that's really, really good. And the title density, meaning who has it in their title, well, basically only one person has it indexed in their title, one seller, which is kind of interesting. iPad tablet, iPad Air, iPad Pro, iPad Mini, all of those are very relevant keywords. However, the issue with those is that they are very expensive keywords because anybody that's also selling an iPad is advertising under this keyword. So I would suggest that you add them to your listing, but you make sure that you're not advertising for them because they're going to be very expensive. Car phone holder could be, because I believe the tablet holders can also be used for phones at the same time. Mobile holder for car, and you can see all of the keywords. The search volume is basically, just in case you didn't understand what the search volume is, this is showing you the demand. So how many people on average log into Amazon on a monthly basis and search for products using those keywords. The higher the search volume, the more demand the product has, and the lower the search volume, the lower the demand. So for the keyword that I used for this product, the search volume was actually only 22, which is very, very low for tablet holder. 22 people a month, that's not going to give me any sales.
So now that you've seen all of this analysis and data, let me know if you would sell this particular product. Before I let you go, 3 ways that you can be part of Amazon Sellers Society. If you want to learn exactly how to sell on Amazon, particularly in the UAE and KSA, then check out our Inner Circle membership. If you want our team of experts to help you build your own Amazon store, then check out our Done For You program and book a consultation call with our team to learn a little bit more. And if you are currently selling on Amazon, then it's very important for you to have a smart tool that can help you increase your sales while managing and lowering your PPC ad costs. Sellers Society is a tool that we have developed, and we are part of Google for Startups. Check it out. You'll also find free masterclasses and trainings on all of these different websites. I'll see you soon in another video. Make sure that you subscribe, you like this video, and leave me a comment in the comment section below. Bye.